continues by carefully fitting the wooden pieces closely together to fully cover the roof, taking time to align and secure each piece so no gaps are left open. This tight layering helps protect the house from rain, wind, and other weather conditions. Once the roofing is complete, he moves on to installing the doors, carefully positioning and fastening them to the frames. He then continues by using wooden planks to build the main doors, working slowly and carefully throughout the entire process. Each plank is precisely measured, cut, and shaped to fit perfectly within the door frame. He assembles the pieces one by one, making sure they align properly and are securely fastened. This attention to detail results in strong, durable, and well-fitted doors that not only function smoothly but also match the overall style and structure of the wooden house. carefully installs the glass frames into the attic windows, making sure each pane fits securely and allows natural light to enter the upper space. Once the windows are in place, he moves on to protect the newly built room by covering its roof with a layer of plastic sheeting, ensuring it is sealed against moisture. On top of that, he adds metal roofing sheets, securing them firmly to create a strong, he builds a long wooden table, carefully measuring and assembling each plank to ensure it is sturdy and practical for daily use. After that, he installs shelves along the walls, securing them firmly in place to provide organized storage and add both function and character to the interior of the house. As the evening gradually grows darker, he and his wife spend time together, enjoying a peaceful and quiet moment by each other's side. Surrounded by the warmth and comfort of their home, they relax and reflect on the day's hard work. Afterward, they rest together, embracing the calm atmosphere and ending the day in a state of comfort, contentment, and well-earned relaxation. And with that, the video comes to an end. Thank you for accompanying him throughout the entire journey and being part of every step along the way. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any upcoming videos. Goodbye and see you again next time.